Next, we'll demonstrate the couching stitch. We'll need 2 threads. One as the main thread, one as the securing thread. To hold down the main thread, let me demonstrate. Using 6 strands of color number 6. First, bring up on the right side. Then prepare another thread of same color and strands. As the securing thread, bring up at the anchor point on the line. You can hold the main thread with your left hand to prevent it from moving. This makes embroidering easier. Insert at the anchor point below, creating a securing point to hold down the main thread. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up at the upper anchor point, then insert below it. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. You can spread the main thread with your fingers to see the anchor points more clearly. This makes embroidering easier. After securing thread is complete, first tie off on the back, then take the main thread. Insert at the end of the line. This couching stitch is complete. Let's look at the finished result.